Up everybody, it's your girl D. It is late. I'm chilling at home. I was just about to get ready to tie my hair up and I was like, let me do this review video before the satin bonnet goes on my head. So it's gonna be a follow-up like in a damn doctor's office. I don't know what to call it. Yeah, this is gonna be a follow-up review on this hair that I have. This is still the Kendra's Hair Boutique hair that I purchased about a month ago. I've had this hair for about a month. I've had it installed. This is my second install on this hair and it's still good. With this hair, I do have 3 bundles. I have a 22, a 24, and a 24 inches, and this is the Kendra's Hair Boutique Brazilian loose curly. I purchased this hair about a month ago. I got it for my birthday because I was going to Vegas for my birthday. And this hair is still holding up. I washed it today and I just let it air dry, and this is what it looks like. This is the curl pattern. I just let it air dry. It could actually get curlier than this, but I didn't put any product in it. But I really love the texture. I feel like it matches my natural texture. So, you know, even though it's really long, it still looks believable. I had this hair in, I just had leave out, but this is actually a silk-based closure that I purchased from AliExpress a really long time ago. And I'm really trying to grow my hair out, and I'm just doing this as a protective style. So I did go ahead on my second install and use this closure. So yeah, this hair is holding up really well. It doesn't shed at all. It doesn't tangle at all, especially when you have longer lengths. You know, you find that you have a lot of tangling at the back here, but I don't have any tangling. I never have any tangling. I never have any problem with this hair at all. I wanted to straighten it, but I don't want to straighten it without any heat protectant. Just because I'm trying to take very good care of this hair. So as soon as I get some heat protectant, I will go ahead and do a video with the hair straight so you can see what it looks like and how well it presses out. But it does press out really well. No shedding, no tangling. The only thing with this hair I did find is that this hair does not like product. It does not take well to product. I've tried to put numerous kinds of products in this hair, and this hair does not like products. But the good thing about it is that this hair really doesn't need any product, so I think that's why it doesn't take well to product. I'll actually show you some of the products that I've tried to use on this hair. You know, obviously this is Brazilian curly hair, so I wanted to use something to kind of define the curls a little bit more. So this is what I use on my natural hair, and I tried this in this hair and it doesn't like it. So this is just the Cantu curling cream for kids. I like to use the kids ones because I feel like the chemicals aren't as harsh. But this is organic. It is sulfate free. Doesn't include any sulfates or mineral oil or anything like that. So this, my natural hair loves this, but this hair doesn't at all. It doesn't even matter how much I use, whether I use a little or even if I use a lot. It just weighs the hair down. Like, it just weighs it down. It's not, no. This is the heat protectant that I do like to use. This is the Tresemme heat protectant. I'm out right now, but this is what I've been using. And this hair actually does take well to this. It smells really good, so sometimes I'll just spray it in my hair and leave it in there, even though I'm not straightening it, because I do live in Arizona. So the sun, I just don't want this hair to get dried out. It's already very, very dry hair. So I just try to keep the hair moisturized without weighing it down. I've also been using the Eco Styler gel, and I just use this for my edges. And I'll take just a little bit, probably like a nickel size, and rub it together, mix it with water, and put it on the hair, and that'll define the curls. And the hair takes well to that. It just don't use a lot. Well, that's about it. Another thing I did try on this hair, which I don't have the bottle because I threw it away because it was completely empty, is argan oil. Again, I do live in Arizona. It is very, very, very dry out here, and weave dries up like that. Your natural hair will dry up like that. So it's important to keep your natural hair moisturized and to make your, extensions last a little bit longer. Of course, you want to keep them moisturized. So I do use argan oil or olive oil on the hair, just the liquid kind, and it takes well to that. It loves oil. It just doesn't like a lot of heavy product. I do apply oil to this hair. What I do is just mix it with water. So this is detangler, but it's empty. This is just water in here. I just put oil in here, mix it, and then just spray it. Or I'll put like a dime size on my hand and just moisturize the ends, especially so the ends don't get dry and start breaking off. And I haven't had really any problems with this hair at all. I have no complaints. I would just crisscross them like this and then put my satin bonnet on. So that's the only thing that I do, just to try to, you know, take care of it. Just keep it tied up at night. I'll put like a little headband around my edges so my edges are laid in the morning. And that's it. I would still recommend this hair. No tangling, no shedding, no problems at all. This is my second time installing it with no problem. And I really don't have any complaints about this hair. So if you're interested in purchasing this hair, you can visit my first initial review video on it. I have the pricing, I have the shipping information, I have everything on there, and I'll put the link to that video in the description box below. So right now I'm about to put some gel on my edges and tie my hair up. I gotta work tomorrow. I'm getting ready to go to bed. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video.